This is a 1960 fully restored Motorola radio from a 1961 American Motors Nash Rambler. Radio is a tube radio. It's the on-off switch on the left and volume. The outer dial is a tone control. This radio is also Bluetooth capable. To access the Bluetooth, once the radio is on, you connect with Tuna Firefly. Once connected with the Tuna Firefly, you can go to your favorite app, play your favorite songs. It will take the radio out of play. Volume and tone controls still work, and you can adjust the volume on your handheld device.